Pinalahi nga birthday photoshoot nga adunay temang Pennywise sa gikahadlukan nga salida sa kadaghanan ang It. Busa atong hinabion ang birthday celebrant karong Abril nga si Mark Noval. Maayong buntag Mark and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Hi, maayong buntag.
Mark, kumusta na? O kumusta ang pagpangandam nimo alang sa upcoming birthday nimo this April?
Medyo busy gid siya but kanaang since the time nga nagawas ang photos, especially for the Pennywise shoot because it's 3 sets na shoot and kanaang more nakaingon ko nga worth it pa set. Although busy, medyo gasto, but more happy kasi ko sa results.
Let's start with our interview. Nganong naka-decide ka to have a really big photo shoot o nganong gipangandaman jud nimo nga karakter?
I just wanted to have a unique birthday shoot, something that's not common, something that is not your typical shoot. So their team thought of an idea to have a Pennywise shoot and I agreed because although I was kind of hesitant I kind of have fears for clowns, but then I agreed because one way to conquer my fears na lang po.
But even with the scary character nga imuhang gi-portray for your photo shoot, para nimo what makes this photo shoot very very memorable para kanimo?
It was memorable in a way nga this is gonna be my first time celebrating a birthday with a photo shoot. At the same time, it's also gonna be my first big celebration sa ako ang birthday for over or almost 20 years. I never really celebrate my birthday. And at the same time, this is the money I spent for this is a hard-earned money. Wow. And I think that I deserve this.
So I can really say nga gipangandaman jud nimo ang imuhang birthday.
Yeah, giandaman jud ni nako. Promise. It took supposedly 21st birthday, but then unfortunate times, kanang walay budget that time. But then this time, I think that this is the perfect time. And besides, it's 25th or silver birthday celebration. So yeah.
Nice, amazing. We look forward nga makita ang imuhang actual birthday, pohon-pohon. Pero going back sa character nga imuhang gi-portray sa imuhang photoshoot, usay nakita nimo nga karakter ni Pennywise nga ma-compare pud nimo sa imuha?
Siguro in terms of fear, kanang it kind of relates to taking risks, and with me, I'm the opposite of fear. I'm really into taking risks because I believe nga if you don't take risks, if you stay in your comfort zone, you won't grow and it's hard for you to be successful.
Busa, before we end our interview, what would you like to give to our viewers? Any advice or message for everyone?
Let's be kanang a little kind. I think that a little kindness goes a long way. That's what I always say, siguro. Let's be kind to one another. We've had enough with COVID na gyud, super. So yeah, that's it.
Daghang salamat. Stay safe.
You too, bye-bye.